I'm sharing with you one of the most important tools that you cannot afford to live without if you're an academic or a scholar. Managing references and citations when writing documents or research projects can be a strenuous part when you are writing. But after I share with you about this important tool called Mendeley, it's a computer application that you can use to manage your citations and your references when writing your documents. So let me go straight to show you how to use Mendeley. Make sure you download it and install it on your machine, your laptop, or your PC. And when you download and install it on your machine, also make sure that you install the Microsoft Word plugin so that you can use it easily right in Microsoft Word. Now I'm going to open my Mendeley desktop application. Here it is. You can be prompted to sign up if you are using it for the first time or to sign in. Mendeley Desktop is an application that is used for other purposes, but here we are going to be concentrating on how we can manage references and citations when writing our documents, our academic documents, using the application. There's a new version of this application called Mendeley Referencing Manager, but I'm still using Mendeley Desktop. As you can see, I've uploaded a number of documents, PDF documents that I've downloaded from certain journals or from the internet in general. I can organize my documents into several folders depending on the topic that I'm studying or that I'm writing about. You can create several folders using this menu here. I've been studying or I've been reading these documents. Now I want to start writing, so I'm going to open a new document. Here I go. I'm typing. And at this point, I want to insert a citation. Because I've installed Mendeley desktop plugins for Microsoft Word, I have my Mendeley icons or plugins that are already visible in my Microsoft Word application. So to insert a citation here, I just click Insert Citation. If you already know the author that you want to use, you can type in the name here, or if you don't know the name, you click Go to Mendeley, and the application will open in like this, and you choose from the number of authors or books or sources that you have in your library, right? I want to use the author by the name Al Rami. It could be an Indian name. So I'll search Al Rami here. Right. This is the author that I'm talking about. I highlight the book or the document, then click on this citation icon. When you click it, you wait for the document to process your citation. Right now it's processing. There we go. Then I format it in a way that is consistent to the formatting style that I'm using. It will prompt you to keep the manual edit or to undo the manual edit. I want to keep the manual edit, so I click Keep Manual Edit. Then I continue writing whatever I want to write about. I need to start a new sentence and insert another author from the sources that I've been reading. The other author that I want to use is Dilek. I know Dilek has said something about what I want to write. So I click Insert Citation. Because I already know the author, I type here Dilek. There we go. There is Dilek. Then I click OK. Right. I format it in the proper way. Keep manual edit. Then I continue writing what I want to write. like this. You can write a 5-page document doing the same thing. You can write a 100-page document doing the same thing. And at the end of the document, you now want to insert your references page. It can be strenuous for you to want to try to insert those sources or those citations, those references one by one. But Mendeley can help you overcome that challenge. All the sources that you have used in the document, all the authors that you have used in the document can be inserted or included in the document automatically using Mendeley Desktop. For example, what I'm going to show you now under the subheading references, I'm just going to click on Insert Bibliography here, click Insert Bibliography, and all those sources or authors that you have used are inserted automatically by the application and are inserted in the correct formatting style or referencing style that you have selected, because I'm using APA style here. So these sources that I have used are inserted in APA referencing style. As easy as it is, it can help you solve a lot of problems or challenges that you have been facing before. Then you can save your document, or you can decide to export it without Mendeley fields. Why? Because if you save it like this, each time you open it, it's going to synchronize all the sources that are in the document, such that those other sources that you add in outside Mendeley are going to be removed automatically. So to avoid that, you save your document without Mendeley fields. That is, you click this menu here, export without Mendeley fields, and you save another copy of your document so that each time you open it, it doesn't synchronize and remove some of the important sources that you have integrated into the Mendeley sources. In the next video, I will share with you how to manage references and citations using Microsoft Word. But Mendeley Desktop makes the job a lot easier.